Challenges and crises are the new normal in our volatile world. Our customers face political conflicts, skilled labor shortages, persistently high energy costs, inflation, as well as new demands due to digitalization, AI, and climate change. This complex environment demands a fundamental transformation of the industry towards greater efficiency and sustainable business practices. With our strategy of becoming the #1 in efficiency and sustainability for our customers, Bilfinger stands firmly by their side as the solution partner. By enabling our clients to master their challenges, we significantly contribute to their profitability and success. This is the source of Bilfinger's own success story. As our group results show, Bilfinger is on the right track to sustainable, profitable growth. As a people business, we owe this largely to the daily commitment of our more than 30,000 employees worldwide. Together, we will continue to implement our strategy with determination and with goals as ambitious as they are realistic. Welcome to the Capital Markets Day 2024.